Remember, your little crutch is supposed to still have a little homeless odor. So don't be disrespectful. Just remember your days. Remember your days. You have a child, and your child experienced homelessness. So Jaden doesn't have any parent. So if you are a mother, stop finding ways to crucify an individual when you have a baby Barry White. Your daughter sound a little bit husky, musky, and dusty. Zandramah, I can't beat you on the bush is a bitter sodomite. The argument done is a bitter sodomite, Zandramah. The lady wants her $20. He's a bitter sodomite. Zandramah in a real life, no talk truth. You say me not have no skills, I mean, me not have nothing to sell for $20. Then Zandramah, nobody could have never tricked me and make me sell my gift for $20. I could have never back a store foreign and Donald Trump promised me $2,000 for come home and me not accepted. Zandramah, then you think you live life when you want to argue with me? You say bashment granny done. Who are those spoken words? Remember me advertise in a theater when you walk with a certificate and nobody now view it. Zandramah come with whatever reason because we need animosity, you know. We need no animosity. Lady from dark to children, you work your way up the ladder, you them call start over. Me not argue with you, my friend. Me not argue with you, my friend. Because disability is bad. You're there friend, me there Jamaica, me can sit down and take a look at me now. Go paint where the government give you. Go and fashion where the government give to you, Zandramah. And you really want to argue with me? You say nobody now watch Bashment Granny again. Then who use a certificate spoken words? Then you there foreign them full of theater. Them all have Broadway, Narrowway and all lane. Why not giant something? Then you say a dog you are walk with your certificate, you know? Dog. No, for sure. Split there, I don't like it. Thank you. $20 Zandramah. And you want to come in and make up not realizing you's not the puff. Eh? Explain all of this to me. Remember you can't cause me about fridge tap again, you know, so you come and you say me not have no skills. Zandramah, my mouth and my skills. Ask anybody. My mouth and my skills. Yeah, me not sell nothing for $20 Zandramah. Me couldn't certify and I walk with $20. Me could have never certified like you and I walk with $20. Nobody could have never diss me over 20. I'm off papers, you must be dreaming. So when I cussing, I just correct some of the things. Because I hurt your feelings, I never know some hurt your feelings. The lady have proof say you thief the $20. You're a teacher, why you never send out something to she? Eh? Why you never send out something, you not change the facts, so you never communicate properly, and that you're a shadow from. I don't know you what kind of teacher, you can't fool them, but you can't fool we. Yeah? You're not, if you had reached out to the lady, she wouldn't have this to say about you, so it's still not change the facts, so you're not thief. You thief the $20. Yeah? The lady want her $20. You're too dibby for your butch. So Zandramah, when you talk about gift now, come to make a reason. Are two gifted people in a one house plus many animals. You understand me like Noah's how your box boats are foreign. Your daughter gifted in a throat from Shebada, she advertised milk powder. And you full of Louise Bennett because you not stop spit spoken words. So come now own a box boat are foreign. And that me want to know. You're fully certified, you're full of skills. You're supposed to can make all vanity fair. You're supposed to can make all the vanity set them. You're full of skills. Then oh yeah box boat, so what poo you pick up? Eh? Oh yeah pick up poo. At that I want to know. I just them something I want to ask you, my baby. I don't want to argue with you now. Don't you want to argue with you, my baby? I just ask me, I ask you. Discover what? Dirty Lionel! Nasty Lionel! Yeah, we just have a reason, no animosity, no shouting. I pull you pick up a foreigner, you want to argue with me. Eh? Your life lower than tile. Your life lower than the tile where Jaden says she stand up on. That's so low your life be. And you really want to argue with people. Fear butchered in the land of clititunity and you can't make something of your crutches. Then Zandramah come here certified that you're Sodomite and you just a box boat like when the wind take the chaff. Oh, yes, it's Winnie the Pooh. So I don't know what she attacks. Because all the way a reason that I'm under some NSC. I'm a just wake. I so fabulous me I live. But yes, says Zanny. The whole way a reason. Just say nobody now watch Bashment Granny. Me never give nobody no CD for watching a day time. So why them still a post it? Who you see a post spoken words? Which movie did come in when you're there at Jamaica? Which memory you leave down the lane? Eh? Which memory you leave down the lane? So we use Fabi front like a hill and gully and go down there. Eh? Which memory you leave back here Zandramah? Cause you want in an argument with people and I know your career not come to. Come now man. You spend whole heap of money go school for walk dog and pick up poo. Come. Where reason? Your daughter can't sing like Barry White. I mean I understand how you're so gifted and talented. The dogs them can do tricks. How you suffer in one place? Eh? Me not understand this. I just me not argue with the lady, you know. Me no want nobody go call me into the lady and tell her say me I argue with her. I just questions me I ask. Lord, me not mix up. More want. Are you alone of a child? You have a daughter who can sing like Barry White. How is it that una suffer so? Me attack Zandramah and her daughter and her animals. To all life I beat your body, your glasses lean. I pay side where you look like you envy mackerel. Eh? To all life I beat your body foreign. Me just ask them something. I said, boy, every time you open my mouth, your ear says something in a something. Me just simple say, you thief the woman $20 for your son education. Me I wonder if you are the Grinch. The Grinch thief Christmas and you thief children knowledge. Me not say nothing wrong. Me not, last time I woke up in all the grill. To oit bother me. Me not say nothing. Move the glasses here for me so. Yeah, me not say nothing wrong. Zandramah, me attack. The lady said, "Where nothing now go on for you." And when me look how she there foreign and a duck Donald Trump, me can't believe the hide and seek where you really take plane go do. Sometimes we big and careless, you know. Foreign gun Dandy Shandy Trump. Boy, you like Dandy Shandy with baggage. Yeah man, put on your load. Yeah, come by me. Ladies do not come by me. The lady say, you teach her son education. Stop her son from learning and that day what he should get. So tell me the truth. You not walk and advertise things that you know you're not fully prepared. Then me not know oh you not have the proper gadgets but you are open class. Tell me the truth now. You not have the proper gadgets but you are open class. So when I tell people say you know well in your head, you know, they need to call Jamaican theatre and ask them about Zandramah. She is not well in her head. I'm telling you that every day it only take a mad sodomite to be able like that on the app. Zandramah say if they not send you a little gift you not eat. Kakafat and you come up here and beg school supply. And you there foreign and a big school supply. You see how people love project themselves and others. Look how you there foreign Zandramah. Okay, let's just say what you're saying is true. Me they are Jamaica, right? And nobody, if them not give me nothing, me not eat. But why you overseas and you are big worse than me? Put your education on the question here and see the total where you come up with. Me just ask you something, my baby. Because you said me there Jamaica nothing now go on for me and blah blah and riri. Alright, let's just say what you're saying is true. Why are you here begging more than I do? These are the stuff I'm asking. Come and I go argue with you. See like how Jaden quiet prior. As someone wants to stay. I don't want to lift up my clothes because I don't want to show my skin where I have measles. You know? Come and look like me a teeth. So I don't want to take off my clothes and go on bad. So I just ask you, oh your daughter can sing like Barry White and you can write poem like Louis Bennett and your dog them look like a circus clown. And I'm not broken and stable. This show I know your sister. Just so much talented people in a one place and on a battle. Security guards, groundsman, everybody. So she's all around it. So I ask her, she must can answer them something because she fully labeled, right? Huh? So Zandramah explain all of this to me now, please. Please. Can you little house canteen and then it go little again. I mean like when little house little you know are empty. It go little again and the dog and you the do you? When dog could I really do you? You and the dog demand that one roof and look how much dog too. Then Zandramah you in a position for argue with people. You're supposed to smell a fur. Me don't want to say smell you know. You're supposed to smell a fur. In a position for argue with nobody, go straighten yourself for foreign. I'm tired for drag you upon the app. Go straighten yourself for foreign. God believe me. Go and you try everything. Try Jesus now. You try come out with your sodomite life. You try tell the people them say you're in a relationship and it goes sour. But Zandramah, you just ever look cheesy, ever look at your mouth yet? Me don't know if I split your lip splitting about your mouth. Me don't know if your lip make your teeth look stink or your teeth make your lip look stink. But your mouth just ever look dull. And you there, go take care of yourself, man. And come from underneath the filter. Yeah. You have a lot of skill sets. And you have $20. You know, says that is daring, you know, the $20 part with your skill sets. You have a lot of skills walking around with even the dogs them can teach and recite your poem. Hey diddle diddle, the dog and the fiddle. Eh? Even the dogs them can recite your poem. And you're going to tell me no, my baby. At $20 people are drag you on the app for and a foreign you there. And your business about media Jamaica will shift my freezer and get what? At sure. See after me class, a sure. Oh, past tense for cheer is true. You sound like one of your dog them. Sure. Zandramah little foreign house look dull. Zandramah little foreign house look dull. Like the pot at in the kitchen and she don't know. Yeah. You know like the aisle at so till it a burn. Zandramah so you me not like behind you look like your sexuality faggy. And you really want to argue with me as someone no want in your house favor winter. No, we just attacking, we're not arguing, I'm not argue with you. Because remember you're in a many climates. Remember you alone have many climates, or just one climate may have in the tropics. Yeah, you're in a many climates, so I'm not argue with you. Because little from this me here, so you stop walk dog, take up who I know you're meteorologist. So I'm not argue with you. But what am I saying is this. Why your name a drag, are you there foreign, and you have a talented Barry White walking around with, where you call your child? Why is it that people are dragging you for $20? You need to set a thief on the app. Hunger beat you. You can't afford to feed young Barry White yourself and the many animals them like your Mrs. Noah. I just that me not ask you nothing, you know. Can you eat Jaden for Fabi or you just don't eat Jaden for Fabi? You just eat Jaden and through me talk about it, you're coming at me. Zandramah go eat your daughter, go eat baby Barry. Oh, and that you forgot eat, go eat baby Barry. Me no know who hijack your crutches in and give you young Barry and you look back on you know. But Jaden must favor the man who grind in a theater and leave you hanging. Me not in a lie, me no know who leave your crutches that hang up in a theater like costume. Me no know, but every day you come about Jaden, what wrong with you? You say I want Jaden back door. Don't be rude. That's the only part in your argument that hurt me. You know, I don't go behind, they come behind me. Me a leader, everybody better back. Yeah. When me lead out, me not follow back. Yes. What you say? That is the only part that hurt me in your argument, man. You don't throw me under the bears like that. Huh? You don't do that. Zandramah disability bad. Nobody now watch Bashman Granny. Where you have out there that people can be reminded of? Huh? What you have out there? What's your legacy, Zandramah? With your skill set comes legacy. What's your legacy? Because I'm not skillful, you know. So what's your legacy? Ask anybody where them know me by. All don't to know people that ask me. When you put on another place, Zandramah come now. Bad mind not kill you here. Bad mind not kill you, so me change my chair. Huh? Hurry up too. Thank you. Bad mind not beat you through me change my chair. I mean, they don't sit down on my fridge that I tell you that every day. The things when me do it puzzle on us. Don't study me. You will mad. You never know. You never know that. Ask anybody who says so. Don't study me. You will mad. And at that I reach you. A long time there for and take a flight. Do this and thump me in my back. Do this when me do. Come go a lucky crabs with me. Do this when me do Zandramah. You and your dog then visit me. Come. Any home could have spell come. C-O-R. Come. Yeah. Just try this. The time your glasses lean. Try this. You and baby Barry. C-O-R. Come. Any me could have spell come. Me nah lie. Me shoot you up this morning with this. Yeah. Just choose your teeth the $20. Me echo it. She gone, but she have me from the other day from me talk about Jaden. Yeah. Jaden I got pies. You make the boy go and rain till the thunders. Loud the boy and go. Move your nastiness. Every day you come, you pressure the boy. You pressure him body, you pressure him mouth, you pressure him bottom. Leave him Zandramah, you have a child. You have a daughter. We are dash out a hole in the train. You have a daughter. Remember when you used to sleep outside. Remember where you come from, Zandramah. You know which part you come from. Remember when you run from theater run Ghana Foreign, you know, with you and the last milk powder advertising Barry. Remember baby Barry when after she done advertise the milk powder for Lasco, when you run Ghana Foreign Ghana suffer because it's a one-time payment. We do not talent. It's a one-time payment and it couldn't balance. So you run Ghana Foreign. So come here, you know, remember train station, you used to sit down and beg. You used to sit down and beg in a train station. Remember your little girl used to sleep on cardboard. Remember your family them overseas not even want shelter you. You remember all of them something. Why you giving Jaden a warm time who is motherless, fatherless and even homeless? Why you giving Jaden a warm time? You have a child who now come from which part rat used to sleep on her belly and roach used to run over her neck. She used to walk sideways like on a giant lodge. Always remember where you're coming from, Zandramah. And that's why you can't leg off a gully bop inheritance, the dogs. You understand me? And that's why, remember a dog used to own and buy the little child. Dog language was fear lullaby to go to bed. Remember that a train used to be an alarm clock. That used to be our alarm clock. Remember not even your relative did want to give your baby a night's rest or a warm meal or a little wear and tear garments. Remember Zandramah, where you're coming from to be hanging on to Jaden like this and one crucified. Thank you, Discover. Exactly. See that as alarm clock there. You see from milk powder to train station is a definite sign you should have used sleep or mad dead. It's a definite sign you come out here giving Jaden a one time trying to tear him down wickedly. Remember the footprints them where you're leaving a train station. Remember your bathroom was train line. Little crutch is supposed to still have order from homeless. You understand? Because pum pum coming like AC keep things. Remember, your little crutch is supposed to still have a little homeless odor. So don't be disrespectful. Just remember your days. Remember your days. You have a child and your child experienced homelessness. So Jaden doesn't have any parent. So if you are a mother, stop finding ways to crucify an individual when you have a baby Barry White. Your daughter sound a little bit husky, musky and dusty. Brown money used to be your best friend. Donut and coffee used to sustain you. One meal was a luxury. One meal was a luxury both for you and your child. Leave every chance. I keep watching you guys as parents. You and Cute Boss as women. I keep watching you guys. Wanna find you know what the psychological part of phone statement is, that it doesn't care. It no matter about the situation. Once it involves a particular individual, you don't want to hear nothing more about the argument. You don't want to hear every mistake of the individual and not finding out why the individual make all these mistakes. You never give Jaden a chance, knowing Uno was skin out on a stinking no good crack. That is just some people. Now you get up every day and under your mad self, a class, Jaden go a class. It will never get any better. If you are about females, talk to these females and tell them, ladies, make better choices. Make better choices. Make better choices. When a woman do wrong, a man must respect her for her wrong what she do. You know, hold them accountable. And that's where you make the mistake. As some know your daughter sell crutches. Me not ask you. Me not ask you. You butter too much. As some know the powder looking last little barred little white girl that sell crutches and drama. Me not ask you. Your daughter is selling crutches. Your daughter sell crutches. Me not ask you. A fear face looks so. Yeah. Like it have been tax. Me no want to say about nothing, you know. Yeah. Every day you find loophole. You find loophole for tear down Jaden. It make you look mean. You have picnic too. You go like that and a Roman. Which part you live a whole heap of stacky dead and cracky. My name draw with the powder. My name draw with little Miss Lasco. Me no know how to stay so as parent. True enough on a bad old somebody drop out. It simple means enough to be a parent to them. The slightest chance to get you crucified, the little boy. Jaden not like woman, Fabi not like nobody at all. Remember we all know Fabi come from woman. Fabi come from woman. Huh? You just walk and defend Fabi and not tell her close her legs. Fabi first start the video call like this. I saw Fabi first start the video call. Like a lady, lock shop. Yeah, justified. That was Fabian, our man, from 2014 to 2024. You're justifying the fact that, hey, Zandramah, you have a orange little daughter, and Miss Lasco is a pity that Lasco didn't make sure advertise nothing. You have a orange little daughter, because if this is your justification towards Fabi's behavior and you're seeking a solution by blaming somebody who has nothing to do with it, what does that say, Zandramah? You have a orange little daughter, shelter and a grow. Your daughter is a little whore. Yeah? And it's just the truth. Exactly. Me not understand if you're intelligent enough so to the turn a fool. But you're not intelligent, you have no reasoning ability. You might can speak English to some extent, but you can't reason. Honestly to God, you cannot reason. You have no reasoning ability, because even so I want to defend Jaden. I would have to come out and say, ladies and gentlemen, may I tell you the truth. Jaden is a germs and a dad. You understand me? And a sorcerer. But it gives the individual no right to skin out and not taking pride. You get what I say? But no, Jaden is a manipulator. Everyone away a manipulator because gifts are on our money and show. Everyone away a manipulate that situation. Eh? You bring, when you not have no content, you bring your dog them and appear fur in your mouth. You ain't bother with you, know. And if I show you name crutches the fur, them no bother you live. You can't bother, man. Why you not ugly the alphabet? Wanna make the L man a P no look good. Wanna make the L man a P them no look good at all. Too nasty, man. All dog a kiss you. Jaden has nothing to do with the pic, and she's still making it about Jaden. Why are you making it about Jaden? Jaden a manipulator, and you see me have the gift of discernment. God is, we have too much favorite my opinion, or we can't tell the truth. And you see, because you open up people inbox a big money Zandramah, that is why you feel so. Remember $20 still a surprise you today, you know? Then you can have over 80,000 people and I charge $20. Then me could never sit down for hours and charge $20. Not even 1 hour me I sit down for a half an hour. You get little boy for your $20 little girl. So me case and learn. Me case and learn. Then your certificate no value nothing. Then your skill set not necessary. Because you now do nothing with YouTube now do. So Zandramah make it make sense. How skilled are you?